morning, ladies. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome if you're new. If you are new, my name is Audrey. I make motivational homemaking videos, stay-at-home mom content, healthy day in the life. I try to take care of my wellness, nurture myself, my mind, body, heart, soul as a mom. So if you're interested in that kind of content, I would love to have you. Just make myself a cup of tea or coffee in this little teacup. I set my alarm for 5 o'clock and I woke up at 4:59. So I was like, this is God, because I knew if the alarm would have went off, most likely Lydia would have woken up. But she still might. She's just unpredictable. So we'll see how far we can get. But yeah, I'm trying to make it a habit again to wake up at 5 a.m. But with that, I have to prioritize going to bed early. I made sure last night to reset the house a little bit, filled up the water, things that would have taken me a long time to do in the morning, which became frustrating for me because I would do those things and set up my books and my stand and have everything ready. And then, she'd walk in and I wouldn't get anywhere. So I'm trying to be intentional and foresee what could possibly happen. So just to make things more smoother in the morning. So if that's something that you're trying to do, is to wake up early, try to do maybe 10 minutes before the night before, just to set yourself up for success. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of Bible study, and I thought I would start the vlog off for you ladies, and maybe we can do a healthy day in the life, just tips and tricks on what I'm doing as far as my health and wellness and my fitness. To not necessarily, I'm not trying to lose weight. It's just more so body fat percentage, which I would love to have one of those scales. But other than that, I'm not really for sure as usual what we have planned for this week's video, but I hope you enjoy it and I hope you find some motivation and you get inspired as homemakers. And yeah, let's just go ahead and go do a little bit of Bible study. Alright ladies, this is today's outfit. I just threw over this nice thrifted oversized cardigan, just with a basic white top and my high-rise mom jeans and my tin shoes as usual. But yeah, we're just getting ready to head out, and I'm gonna grab a coffee and we're gonna go to, what I usually do is I park either at the library, and then if I have errands to run, they're usually clear across on the opposite side of town. So I just try to get in my steps that way and drive less when it comes to when I'm running my errands in town, going from this place to this place. And then that's a good way that you can get in your steps while still getting your tasks done and running errands. It's just more of a mindset shift. I just try to change things up so I'm not always walking on the treadmill. I'm gonna go ahead and do the dishes before I head out. That way I can come home to a clean house, and then we will go ahead and head out, and I'll see you ladies in a little bit. Hi, hello ladies. It is a new day. We headed off early this morning. We got dressed and ready and I just felt like we were spending I just felt like we were spending a little bit too much time indoors, and I decided to go to Lowe's and get some play sand and just clean out this sand bed, and it was just overgrown with weeds, and I was like, I just need a new play spot around the house. So yeah, we have the play box outside on the porch, but I think it helps to have like little play area destinations that you can like go from one spot to the next. I want the kids to spend as much time outside as possible before winter comes. It was just one of those mornings, a little stressful. Every time you turn around, there's like a new mess to clean up. But we went to the museum and not much really, just came back here and relaxing a little bit. I'm drinking my second cup of coffee, and I'm not for sure what else we'll get into today, but yeah, just wanted to continue the vlog. And oh no, don't throw sand, honey. Yeah, my daughter decided she didn't want to take a nap today, so there's that. Hopefully we'll get her down early tonight, so maybe I can have a nice relaxing evening, maybe take like a bubble bath, we'll see. Alright ladies, so I just got done making my beautiful hotel breakfast tray, and what really inspired this was a girl. She lives uptown in New York, and she was doing like a day in her life, and she had this beautiful hotel breakfast. You thought she was in a hotel, but she was in her home, and she was in her robe, and it just looked so beautiful and elegant. And I really like to create beauty in like the everyday mundane experiences. And I think not to wait for special occasions, but to truly experience like luxuriousness and beauty and charm, and to be whimsical and to experience elegance. And it doesn't take a lot of money, so I think sometimes we can feel like when we see those things like, oh, I would love to go to like a hotel and experience like fine dining, but it's like, this didn't take me no time at all to create. And you can go to like Dollar Tree. I found this at Walmart, and then I already had the china. You can thrift a lot of things. I think it's like creating that ritual that you do, and not just something that you perform, like you have to scarf down your breakfast. Just make it a whole experience, and you know, feel with your senses and present the atmosphere in a way that can calm your nervous system and just make you overall like look forward to waking up and enjoying a beautiful, luxurious breakfast. And it can be very simple, as like a yogurt parfait or your favorite little pastry. So yeah, I just wanted to encourage you ladies, maybe this is something that you can do to add a little bit of elegance, and not just to bring out the fine china like on a special occasion, but every day can be a special occasion. So yeah, anyways, I just wanted to end the vlog here, and thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you found some homemaking motivation and you got inspired as homemakers. And if you did enjoy it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all in my next video. All right, bye.